everyone, welcome to Eden's Secret. Today we are making some angel bath bombs. I haven't had the fragrance for a long time because I used to buy it in bulk from a company, and I found out that Oasis Oils has the exact same one that I used to use. So don't have to buy it in great big bulk anymore. And it's called Angel's Halo. It's gorgeous. Now, there isn't an angel fragrance yet that I've used that is identical to the real thing. But this is the closest one I've found. If I could find one that's exactly like the real thing by Thierry Mugler, I would love it, because that is my favourite perfume of all time. It's the one I wear more than any other. So if any of you have ever had an angel fragrance that's the same, please let me know. I have tried lots of them. So it might be that there actually isn't one available out there. And you might remember I bought these from Home Bargains ages ago, and I've never gotten around to using them. I bought all of what they had left in at Easter. And I'm just going to be using them today. I just thought they'd be quite a nice little decoration for the top of the bath bomb. So in here we have 1.2 kilos of bicarb. We have 18 grams of SLSA. We have 15 grams of fragrance, 12 grams of carrier oil, and 16 grams of Witch Hazel. I usually put 20 grams of Witch Hazel in, which is absolutely fine if you're not going to be unmoulding your bath bombs. If you're going to leave them in the mould, that's absolutely fine. But if you want to unmould straight away and avoid swelling, you do need to put a little bit less liquid in there. Not liquid oil, the binder, so either water or Witch Hazel. So I've just kept my citric acid granular today because, again, I'm leaving my bath bombs in the mould. And we're just going to bind 575 grams of citric acid into the powder that we've already created. It is a lovely smell, and it's always been my best seller. And because I haven't had it for a while, people keep asking for it all the time. So here we are. So the colour I'm using today is Aquamarine from Easy Colours. Really bright, vibrant turquoise, and makes a gorgeous turquoise bath as well. And because it's a water-based liquid dye, it doesn't stain the bath. The only reason it might leave a stain is if someone's previously had a bath and they didn't rinse it out, because when you have a bath, I know it sounds crazy that some people might not know this, and I don't want to insult anyone's intelligence, but when you have a bath, the oils and loose skin come off your skin because you're exfoliating, and that creates a ring around the bath. When you let the water out, that skin and oil sits on top of the water, and when you drain the water out, it actually leaves all the oil and skin left over. So if you don't want a stained bath, make sure the bath is nice and clean before you use your bath bomb and make sure it's scrubbed off. All that, not muck, but skin is scrubbed off with a scrubby. Okay, so we're going to open these up now. Take them out. What's quite good about them is they've got a little lip on the back, and it's just a plastic one. It's not a pin or anything, so it's not going to scratch anyone in the bath. So we're going to take that. Actually, I don't know whether to put some glitter in or not. No, don't need any. So just make sure that's in the centre, and then this always works if your powder is powdery. Once it starts binding together, it's actually quite hard to get it in there without moving your flour. So if you want your flour to stay centred, start putting the powder in as soon as you've mixed it all together. And just press that down, and then that'll keep the flour in place. Take your 2 moulds, gently press. No need to press hard because you don't want too much. I know I say this all the time, but I'm just thinking of people who might not have watched my videos before and they're tuning in for the first time. I know most of you watch all my videos, so you know how grateful I am to each and every one of you for that. So don't overfill the bath bomb. Don't press it really tight, because that's how you're going to overfill the bath bomb. Just gently press it together and twist so any excess falls out rather than stays in the mould. Give it a tap all the way around, and that just neatens it all up and loosens it. So then you're going to have, if you're going to unmould, you'll be able to unmould straight away. But I'm actually not going to. I'm going to leave mine in the mould, and I'll leave those in overnight. We're just going to put two tablespoonfuls in there. Gently press together and twist so all the excess comes out. Give it a tap and pop it on the side. Beanie, if you're watching, some of these are for you. And Lindsay Jane, if you're watching, some of these are for you. So this isn't a great big batch, it's just a nicely sized batch. I've actually put the wholesale round bath bomb listing back on the website now the shops are starting to open again. I was expecting actually a lot of wholesalers not to come back because I thought they would just use the pandemic as a reason to close for good, but it seems like some of you have come back already, so that's a good thing. So I'm pretty sure that too much liquid and overpacking is one of the reasons you get bath bombs that sink, and a lot of my round bath bombs sink. So that's why I've reduced the water and I've reduced the Witch Hazel, and I'm trying not to overfill them. I like to press the bath bombs as tight as I can, but I don't think it's a good thing. But you can also not press them tight enough. It's just finding a happy medium. Will we get one more out of this? I think we will. Sometimes you can feel like there's not quite enough in there. Just scoop a little bit more up and then squeeze and twist. Okay, that's that batch of bath bombs made. We got 2, 4, 6, we got 7 out of it. So if you want 14, double it. Recipes in the description box below the video, and these moulds are 7 centimetre. Every time I do a bath bomb video, I get loads of messages asking me where to get them. They're a nightmare to find, so if you type in 7 centimetre aluminium round bath bomb moulds, you might be able to find some. If you do, let me know, will you? So don't they look super cute? And with these flowers, they've actually got a double layer. So they've got petals, well, one layer of petals and then another layer of petals on top. So if you want to, you can just loosen the top layer of petals. So it looks like your flower is actually standing up out of the bath bomb. So they're really suitable for this job, I have to say. Just silk flowers from Home Bargains, and I just love them. And the white looks so gorgeous with the blue. And then obviously we trim that just extra ring from around the bath bomb, which tidies your bath bomb up beautifully, and you end up with a set of delicious smelling angel skin bath bombs that make your water blue. No embeds inside, just a nice blue clean bath. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all very soon for another video from Eden's Secret. Bye bye for now.